Hello, this is Untitled Bushcraft. I am Scout. I'm with Darrell Flynn, and he's going to introduce and show off a drone today.
Well, Alan, we have the Mavic 3 Pro Platinum drone. It is a very user-friendly drone. It gives you a fast charger, and these batteries are smart batteries. So if you charge this drone and you don't fly it in a week, they will self-discharge down to 50%. What I like about it, if you take your hands off the controls, it's gonna hover. I'm not saying I haven't crashed it a couple times, but it is robust, and aside from replacing the propellers, that's all I've had to do with it.
How long of flying time do you get with it?
You get about 30 minutes, a full charge, and less than a week charge.
How much you gonna like this cost?
Well, with the all fly package, around $1,100.
Wow. And how high can you go?
And it all depends on your proximity to an airport.
Okay.
But around here, I can get this thing up to about 450 meters.
Wow. That was better than I thought it would. Well, I'll step back and let you demonstrate it.
Okay, it has several features. It has built-in software. It is connecting at this time.
That's neat.
Look here.
Yes, it's gonna hover there.
It works off GPS. And when it starts to get low on battery, you can tell it, go home. It'll come back to the exact place it took off from.
Do you have it up on the video screen what you're seeing?
Yeah.
I'm getting some cool ideas.
You are?
Yeah. I think people are gonna love this one. You should see that shot I got of the drone in the midair and the lights coming around the cloud. Oh, that was beautiful. Almost popped the wheelie.
Let's see, are you ready?
Well, this is a drone. Thank you for watching. This is Untitled Bushcraft. I'm Scout. That's Darrell. And that's the drone.